Hello friends, in this video we are going to add a new product type for the product section. So let's start the tutorial. So here we are going to the catalog, products. I'm going to add a new, that is new product type, right? This is a new kind of products we are going to add. If we are going to add this, like type is set for new product, this is test 12. Here the pricing, quantity, stock, weight, testing. Okay, content you can write, description, images and videos. Save. Let's go to the front end and go to the testing. We have added this product. So let's cache the system also. Search test concept and open product. But why the test is there? Let me check the this part. Where is this website search engine? That is test. Wait for it. Product is there. Price is 12 they are setting up. If there is an issue, let me check. We go to the this point. I have the price module, get price. I'm going to comment this. Logic. We run the command for PHP search the price. Okay, the issue is that I have modified the logic with the price here. That's the reason it get the post is not getting, then it rings zero, right? So what are the steps to do that, right? So you have the product types.xml. In etc you need to define the product type.xml with this one, right? And if you override the model of the price and change the logic, you can use this one which I have already told you, like get price product. You can modify the logic over here, right? After that we have to install the data schema. Why it's required? Because we need to add, because price will not getting if you're not using this one. So it will set all the attributes of this one to this, which we have the code of new product type. So it will get and apply this all these attributes to this product type code, right? This is very important. If it is not there, then the price will not show over here. So I'm also struggling with this one. So this is, we required it. After that we have the new type product model. So I am using the type new product code, and the rest of the functionality you can do it from the code files, right? So hope you understand what exactly we have done. And here we are getting we go to the catalog products. This way we have get the new product type, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. I hope you understand how to add a like product new type in Magento. Have a great day.